Hello everyone. Topic Plantae kingdom. Characteristic of Halophyta. They are usually found in moist or wet places. This is due to the absence of true roots and vascular tissue that is needed to transport water and minerals. Hence, they are found in moist or wet places. They are autotrophic in nature. Most members of this group manufacture their own food, but a few members, like the fungi, are dependent on other sources of food. Reserve food is generally starch. Division of Halophyta. Algae. They are chlorophyll-bearing thyroid. They are autotrophic and largely aquatic plants. On a side note, it has been observed that green algae form a symbiotic relationship with sloths that are negative to the lush tropical rainforests of South America and Central America. Sloth fur is very coarse and readily absorb water. As a result, sloths fur form a moist and damp environment for the algae to flourish. The algae in return provide the sloth with extra nutrition and camouflage from predators. Example, Spirogyra. Fungi. They are achlorophyllos, meaning they don't produce chlorophyll. Heterotrophic thylophytes. Sometimes to overcome this handicap, fungi may develop a symbiotic relationship with an algae or a cyanobacterium. The algae can produce food as it has chlorophyll, and the fungi in return provide a safe environment that shades the algae from UV rays. Lichens is an example where two organisms act as a single unit. Let us know what a bryophyte. Bryophyte is a division of green plants, refers to embryophytes, which in written terms are land plants, especially the non-vascular ones. This division includes mosses, that is class Bryopsida, liverworts, that is class Marcantiopsida, hornworts, that is class Anthoceropsida. Characteristic of bryophytes. As stated before, the defining feature of bryophyte is that they are non-vascular plants. Other important bryophytes characteristics are as follows. Plants in this category do not have roots but have crude stems and leaves. They have rhizoids instead of roots, which helps the plant to anchor the surface. These roots or rhizoids do not absorb nutrients like other usual plant roots. Mosses releases spores from their leaves which travel by water and make new mosses in new location. Water is very essential for mosses to grow and spread. They can entirely dry out and survive when in contact with water. They again revive and continue growing. Petridophyta. Before the flowering plants, the landscape was dominated with plants that looked like ferns for hundreds of millions of years. Petridophytes saw many characteristics of their ancestors. Unlike most other members of the plant kingdom, petridophytes don't reproduce through seeds. They reproduce through spores instead. Classification of Petridophyta. Pislopsida. They are the most primitive. The stem is photosynthetic and dichotomously branched. Rhizoids are present. Leaves are mostly absent. The sporophyte is homoporous synangium, example Pislotum and Tamaris petri. Lycopsida. They are commonly known as club moss. Well differentiated plant body with adventitious root, stem, rhizophorus and leaves. The sporophyte is homoporous or heterosporous. Example Selaginella and Lycopodium. Sponpsida, commonly known as horsetail, well differentiated plant body with roots arising from nodes of the underground rhizome, stem and calyx. Homosporous sporangia and bony on strawberry. Example Equisetum. Pteropsida, commonly known as a fern, well differentiated plant body with roots, stem, and leaves. The sporophyte is homosporous or heterosporous. Antherozoids are multiflagellate. Example: Petris, Diopatris, adiantum. Characteristic of Petidophyta. Petidophytes are considered as the first plant to be evolved on land. They are cryptogams, seedless, and vascular. The plant body has two roots, stem, and leaves. Spores develop in sporangia. Sporangia produce in groups on sporophytes. Life cycle of Petidophyta. Petidophytes show alternation of generations. The life cycle is similar to seed-bearing plants. However, the petidophytes differ from mosses and seed plants as both haploid gametophyte and diploid sporophyte. Generation are independent and free-living. The sexuality of petidophytic gametophytes can be classified as follows. Dioicous. The individual gametophyte is either a male producing antheridia and sperm or female producing archegonia. An egg cell. Monoicous.